Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create a text file in Python and write to it. Working with text files is a common task in programming, and Python provides simple and powerful tools to accomplish this. We will cover the basic steps, including opening a file, writing content to it, and properly closing the file. The first step is to open a file. Python provides the open function for this purpose. The open function takes two arguments, the file name and the mode. The mode specifies the purpose of opening the file, such as reading, R, writing, W, or appending, E. In the above example, we opened a file named example.txt in write mode, W. If the file doesn't exist, it will be created. If the file already exists, its content will be truncated. Once the file is open, you can use the write method to add content to the file. In the above example, we wrote 2 lines of text to the file. The \n character represents a new line, creating a line break. It's essential to close the file after writing to it. The close method is used for this purpose. Closing the file is crucial as it ensures that any changes are saved and frees up system resources. Here's the complete code for creating a text file and writing to it. Remember to replace example.txt with your desired file name. Now you have a basic understanding of how to create a text file and write to it using Python. Feel free to explore additional file handling options, error handling, and other advanced features as you continue to work with Python. ChatGPT